Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a classic Manipuri dish, that is dry meat with taro roots and mustard leaf. Kasi di hanggam ga paan ga sa akangba thongba utsarige. This mustard leaf I bought it from a local vendor, and this one is similar with what we have in Manipur, Northeast. So, clean the mustard leaf first. hanggam se sengdor se ko asom de hanggam chau se phange mahau se koi mukti haude do shu chap manab ne masak to a chau za tu ne ko look at this is single plant only. Here I'm checking for caterpillar. Don't throw the stalk. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. The first one is mustard leaf, it's called light sag as well, dry meat, boiled taro roots, RB, onion, bujolokia, garlic, and coriander leaf. Coriander leaf is a must in mustard and taro roots curry. So si oire ko hanggam, sa akangba, duga paan putok ko natali hakaze, duga piyaz, umorok, chanam, duga padigom di hap tadi haute. First shred the dry meat. Asum sa kang masidum macit siem ko. This is smoked and dry, so the aroma is so good. I've already put water in the pot. Ising half crab niko. Now I'll put the dry meat, onion, garlic, sanam shahabashe, and bujolokia. I'll put just half because it's very spicy. Umuro half cray. So I'll put little bit of turmeric powder. Yang salt, I'll put the RB later on because it's already cooked. Now I'll close the lid and cook the meat for minimum 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll put the taro roots, RB. Try to mash some of the taro roots. Paan si kretoy yan si ko. Kretoy da di haw te hanggam insan bi. Put the mustard leaf. Hanggam habis eh. The lid and cook for some time. Here I'm roasting dry meat for chutney. Roast in low flame. Asi di sa kang masi lawgi ko. Yummy. The aroma is so good. Manam di haure hanggam manam se. Hanggam manam sa akangba smoke ki manam yaw ba. Coriander leaf. The spoon I'm using is made from bamboo. You can see. Check for the seasoning. Kuthum number namdaba yengbira ko habrisigo. Cook it until the stalk of the mustard leaf has softened. Mole, garnish it with coriander leaves. Padigom habrego. Odikti mungre. Muthat piare. Wow, manam de wang wang lakrego hanggam ga. Odikti padigom gi manam se. Shibhauti haldi yadrehi. Now the curry is ready to be served. Switch off the flame. Mule. Now let's prepare the chutney. You don't need lots of meat for this, just little bit only. Roasted meat. I'll need bhut jolokia, ginger, a piece of ginger and garlic. That's all. It's very easy. Use a knife or a heavy thing. Shred the meat in small pieces. Some pig na dum shred taubiro ko cook na. By heating the meat, it's easier to separate the meat. One bhut jolokia, salt, a piece of ginger and garlic. Put the shredded meat. Now I put some few Szechuan peppercorn. Mutru be mani hap ki yam hab rahi ko. This is optional. Yare morok met pese. It's done. Wow. So this is the dry meat chutney. It's spicy, delicious. Now it's time to enjoy. Wow, super. How are you? Wow, amazing. Chang mùi mềm sẽ giảm hào ấy. Ginger flavor su lại ko. The Szechuan peppercorn goes very well in this chutney. How cha kan hôm mệt bây giờ ra này ko. May naman yung mga hanggam ꯏꯟꯁꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛ ꯃꯦꯠꯄꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯎꯔꯦ Most of the time we prefer boil to fry curry. We are used to kangsoi gumba chamba thongba hen pam ko fry ko thau ngau sin mrak mrak cha be ai do no khuding ni cha ning di ko adu som di moi di thau yaw da ba hai di khang di kangsoi gumba champut kum di moi di khang de du di ai no video sem de ba koi manipur gi cooking gumba utpa do northeast ki cooking gumba utpa se ayamba asom mi sing di ko su khang di ko ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯎꯠꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯉꯣꯟꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯌꯦꯟꯁꯥꯡ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯒ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯎꯠꯆꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯅꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯇꯟꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯇꯅ ꯔꯥꯏꯁ ꯆꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯗꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯇꯟ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯃꯔꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯆꯥꯗꯦꯕ ꯇꯟ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯀꯤꯀꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯩ ꯃꯊꯪꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯄꯤꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯑꯌꯦꯛ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯣ That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Take care.